This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, January 8th, 2016, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. We have two pieces of a system. We have one moving over the area at this point. The second one is over the south and west, and that's going to be kicking out across the southern plains and could miss the state entirely, but the first system is what we're going to be worried about, and that's going to still bring some rain across our eastern counties, changing to a rain-snow mix in the central and to snow in our western counties, where they will see at least 1 to 3, maybe up to 4 inches of snow there. Highs today, lower 30s, northwest to middle to upper 40s in our far southeastern counties, but that cold air is going to be winning the battle as it moves off to the east. The first piece is going to be up into the Great Lakes in eastern Canada. The second piece is going to be moving over the middle Mississippi River Valley, and then that swings up to the north and east as we head into Sunday. Cold temperatures will be coming in. The snow will be ending by early on Saturday, and then temperatures plunge to sub-zero Sunday morning in our northern counties, and maybe even Monday morning as well. Sunday highs will be in the single digits and lower teens. Monday, maybe a degree or two warmer, and then we move into here on Monday. You can see the sun does return on Sunday and into Monday, but as we look to our north and west, Monday night and into early Tuesday, a clipper system comes in. That's going to bring us a little bit of snow activity late Monday night to Tuesday, as I said. It's also going to reinforce the bitter cold again, so Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning could be quite chilly again. And then that system is off to the north and east where it could produce some snow there. Then we start to see a push of warmer air. The cold air kind of starts getting pushed back toward the north and east. You can see this Pacific air to our west. It begins to move in as we move into Thursday and into next Friday as well, as you'll see. And this is going to bring temperatures back up into the lower 30s in our southern counties and 20s elsewhere across the state, which you'll feel a lot better than temperatures near zero or whatnot. Then as we look at next Friday, you have a system moving across the southern tier of the country. The flow is mainly west to east, not from the north to south anymore. So that means we're going to see temperatures more modified. Seasonal readings by the end of the week. So this cold snap doesn't look to last more than maybe about 3 days or so, maybe 4. So, but things can change, so models can differ a little bit. The slightest difference could change a whole lot of stuff, so be aware of that. Going into the extended period around the 19th, the GFS is showing a pretty zonal flow west to east, meaning seasonal temperatures in the 20s to the lower 30s, depending on snow cover. We have a system that looks to want to come through at that time that could produce a little bit of activity at that time, but a big system is crashing into the west coast, which is going to produce rain again in California, snow in the Sierras, and up into the Cascades, where they do need the precipitation there. The end of the forecast on the 23rd, flow is still mainly west to east. We have a disturbance moving through the middle part of the country. The one in the southern part of the country is the one that's going to be the most active one. That's going to produce a lot of rain, maybe thunderstorms across the south. Around here, we'll just get skirted by that if this is to be correct, with maybe a little bit of light snow. But any model changes in a few days' time can really change the model this far out. Satellite image from last evening. We have a subtropical-like feature off the east coast that's moving away. Our one over the middle part of the country, that's starting to move out as well. The third one over the south and west is going to move across the southern plains and up into the Midwest into the weekend. Watch warning map, as you can see, winter weather issues across the Rockies, a few over the northern high plains in the upper Midwest. Elsewhere across the country looks fairly quiet, except for a few fog issues across Louisiana. QPF chart looks fairly active as well the next 5 days. Precipitation amounts around a quarter to a third of an inch, mainly with this system coming through now. The east looks fairly wet, as does the west as well.